Alright, today we are going to be building baking soda and vinegar rockets. We're using a soda bottle and some everyday supplies that you have. So to make this basic rocket, what you need is some supplies. I've got some old masking tape that I found. I just had lying around. Any tape will do. You can use the tape you use to wrap presents with, or just some old duct tape. But the tape is mainly to tape on my pencils here. You'll need some pencils. I try to use 4 if you can. You can use 3, but a 4 works better. And really, I use the old pencils that we get in those giveaways that nobody really likes, and they basically kill pencil sharpeners. So these are what I use here. Also, you need a soda can or soda bottle. Here I've got a Diet Pepsi bottle. Actually, the smaller the bottle, the better. If you get a larger bottle, you're going to have to use more vinegar and more baking soda. If you can get a cork, get a cork. What the cork does is it allows you to plug it in here and stop the gas from releasing. But if you can't use a cork, or if you don't have one, what always works really well is an old eraser. What I did was I took this old eraser and I measured it out so that it would actually fit perfectly, and I can actually cap that, and that holds it pretty well. If I wanted to make it tighter, I could take some tape and wrap it around there. But for mine, I'm going to use a cork bottle. Here you can see a finished product. And now we're going to show you how to go about building one of these basic finished products here.